Hi all. In this video, we are discussing about OpenHRMS service request in Odoo 15. As we all know, OpenHRMS is an open source HR management software which helps to create happier workspace for employees. Moreover, it is packed with advanced features to act as a solution to run all the HR management operations in your company. And it is suitable for both large scale and small scale enterprises. In this video, we are discussing about OpenHRMS service request in Odoo 15. It is a module which helps for handling the service requests from employees, which allows the employees to raise a request and view its status, and also give the provision in enabling multi-level approval of the request. For able to access this feature, we need to install this module. For install this module, let's go to the App Store. So in the App Store, HRMS service request, which is the technical name of the module, OpenHRMS service request. Once we install this module, you would be able to access this feature. So currently in my demo database, I already installed this module, so I can access this feature. This feature can be get using the employees module. So once we install this module, we can see inside the employees module, a new menu will appear, that is of services. Inside this menu, we can see different submenus such as request service, service approval, service execution, and also a menu of service reporting, which is used for the reporting purposes of the HRMS service request. From the request service, we can create the service requests for employees. Before creating this service request, we need to enable the user configuration inside the settings. That means in the settings, under the menu of users. So currently in my database, I have two users, Markdown and Michelle Admin. So let's go for Michelle Admin, where is the login user. And once we install this module, we can see a new user option will be getted here, that is of service. So we need to enable the user as service executor. Then only we can approve the execution of the request, and also make the user as administrator on the inventory. Then only we can move with this service request module with the admin access. So I am returned back to the employees module itself. And from the services, first I am going to create a service. So while click on the create button, we can see a form will appear, which of some fields such as reason for service, type of service, a date field, and then employee. So currently I am logged in as Michelle Admin, so automatically the login employee will be populated at here. Then item for service, and then service executor. Currently the service executor is a read-only field. Once we submit this request, it can be editable. And I am just adding a title for the service as service 2. Then the type of service, which is a selection field where we can choose the type of service such as repair, replace, updation, checking, adjustment, etc. So I'll just choose a repair service. Then date. So we can give it is a daytime field. So we can add a date and a time. And also item for service, like as this gives a product. So we can give accommodation, daily allowance, etc. So I am just adding item. And if I have any internal nodes, those internal nodes can be added at here. Then save the request and then click on the submit. Then we need to then it move to the requested state. Then we need to add the service executor. So I added the Abigail Peterson as a service executor. Then save the record. Then we need to assign this, that means then it give to the service executor. So currently Michelle Admin is one of the service executors. So I can view this form. Then he can able to assign the request. So that service request for repair service of the product customizable desk is moved to the assigned state. Then let's check on the another menu, that is service execution. At here, this is a menu that is only visible for the service executors. From here we can see the different service execution requests that created and then also its state. So currently the recently request that we have created and we moved to the state of assigned can be seen at here. From here the executor can check the issue, check the service type, and then once he checked, he can click on the checked button. So it will move to the checked state. After it will check it, let's come back to the request service menu. Then for the service 2, we can see that its state will be changed to checked, and then the admin can have the access of either approve or reject it. So from here, admin can, based on the admin's access, he can either approve or reject it. Once we approve, it move to the approved state. Likewise, we can manage the employees to raise the request and also view their status and also give the execution of the service, etc. And then a reporting facility is also available for the OpenHRMS service request, that is in the menu of service reporting. Here we can view a pivot view. So currently in the pivot view, I added the total and then the item for service, and also different measures can be seen here, the count. So the total amount of, so based on, currently I am just added with the employee, item for service and count. So likewise we can add different filters, and based on each filters we can add the item for service, count or another measure, etc. Also we can export the reporting too. Likewise, we can allow the employees to raise the request and view their status, and also enable the provision of multi-level approval of the service request. That's all the feature of OpenHRMS service request in Odoo 50. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to know more details about OpenHRMS, you can visit openhrms.com.